Hey guys, so I just got back last night, or yesterday, from Stampin' Up's OnStage event for demonstrators, and I wanted to share everything I got with you. If you are a demonstrator and you've never been to OnStage, this was my first time. Or if you are not a Stampin' Up demonstrator, you see what you like and you want to join so you can attend events like this. Now, being that this year I'm not teaching, it's their 30th anniversary, I am Silver Elite with Stampin' Up. There were opportunities presented to me that made it beneficial, especially this year, for me to go. Silver Elite and above, your title, you can attend a special event for free. You can go to Epcot. So I went to that, and it was their 30th anniversary, so I thought it would be extra special to kind of share that with them. Plus, I had never met any of my team members. And that includes the people that are above me, my upline, and the people that I have recruited. I knew 2 of my downline would be there, and I definitely wanted to be able to meet with them, as well as my the whole team that I'm a part of. So you go in, you check in. Here are the catalogs. I'll show you those in a second. So you check in, and you get this lovely box, and in the box was this beautiful canvas bag, and it's reversible, so it has these gorgeous flowers, the 30th anniversary. And then on the inside, it's polka dots. Here's your outside pocket. And you can reverse it. I like the other side better, but I know a lot of the ladies there, they had reversed theirs. And we're using this side. So, really cute. I have a ton of bags. The last thing I needed was another bag, but this one is special to me, and it's very easy to carry. I like to describe myself. I don't have shoulders that are nice at holding bags. Everything slips off. I hate carrying a purse. Unless it's a crossbody purse, I really don't bother with purses. But this is perfect. It stayed on my shoulder, or lack of shoulder. So we get this bag, and then it was inside the box. So we got this nice box at check-in, and inside the box there was a bunch of stuff, but a lot of it was like a schedule and some other stuff that wouldn't be worth showing you guys, but I'll show you the good stuff. So first, we got a pack of 3 notebooks. It came with a belly band around it, just really pretty. And this looks like, pretty sure it's the same, if not very similar, of a stamp set that is coming out in the new catalog. So beautiful notebooks. We got a set of 3 pens. I have taken 2 out since, but it came with 3. Then you get these numbers, and it's prize patrols. So during the event, they call out your number and you win a prize. And I'll show you those in a moment. If it was your first time on stage, you get a little OnStage button. Here is the stamp set that everyone received. This is the Amazing Life. This will be available in the new Occasions catalog. So really nice. You can never have too many birthday stamp sets, in my opinion. But I like that they included a good luck, or so happy to have you in my life. That could be used for anything. I believe in you, yay, and then you have some birthday sentiments. And then with that, you get they like to say make and takes, but this is a take and make. So you can go home and make this. Comes with all the supplies to make that card. And here is the name tag, little lanyard you get. Really nice, because you can keep a lot of stuff in there. It'll be handy to use when I go on vacation. Here is the little ribbons I had. So I had stuck them right here. They eventually worked their way off, but it was like this. And so I had Center Stage. That was the event for Silver Elite and above. And then I got recognition for annual recruiting and annual leadership. At one point, I actually walked the stage, which I didn't realize, and that was very nerve-wracking. There were between 6,000 to 7,000 people there, so that was a lot of fun. But, you know, higher ups, demonstrators, theirs went on forever. It was like a complete rainbow. So we got that, and that was all in the registration kit. And then, like I said, if you had the privilege of going to Epcot because you were Silver Elite or above, you had a free admission to Epcot. You could spend there the whole day. And then at the end, like 8:30, they had a special thing, a special dessert bar event, whatever, for people that were able to get the Epcot trip for free, the Silver Elites and above. So here's the baggie you got at the end. It was a dessert bar. I'll insert a few pictures. I didn't get many, but I will insert a few pictures as I'm talking, so if something pops up, that's what I'm referring to. But in the bag, you got your catalogs. So here is the new, and they're beat up because I had them in my bag and I was looking at them a bunch of times. But here's the new Occasions catalog. I'll kind of show you. I can't show you the inside of the catalog, but I can show you the outside, and all of these are clues as to what's going to be inside. So there's that stamp set I was talking about with the notebook that I think coordinates with that. So beautiful. And then here's the celebration. Love this color scheme. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you. I do have some products coming from, I was able to pre-order, so they should be here this week, and I will do another video, so stay tuned for that. It won't be much, but it'll be something. So inside this was a stamp set, and it's this one, Stamping Your Way to the Top. This is great for demonstrators, but it's also great for events. Welcome to the team. That could be anything. What team? What a dazzling demonstrator. Stamping mail, handmade by your biggest cheerleader. Your way to the top. Love it, live it, share it. Making dreams come true. It's the best job ever. Way better than a text. So even though this is kind of geared toward a demonstrator in mind, it can be used for anybody. So really nice. And we got that. And I think that's it. And then, of course, we could view the catalog a day before the other on-stage attendees. So that was really nice. There was also a lunch. I'm sorry, not a lunch, but a little training that Silver Elites and above could attend. We got this little necklace, which was fun. A little trinket to add to our little goodies that we received. So at times there was prize patrol, like I mentioned earlier. So they would do a presentation. They would say it's time for prize patrol. Then they would call a number, and that number would win whatever they were giving away at the time. So, and they also had all attendee giveaways. So giveaways for everybody. So my prize patrol, I won this one. So I was number 5. So all number 5s won this one. We were actually the first one called, which was pretty cool. So this is the Beauty Abounds. And I really like this. I love the bokeh and the little like splatter background. This could be a background stamp. But then great sentiments and a little flourish and a couple butterflies. And there will be coordinating framelits with this. And I don't know if I ordered them yet. I don't know. But I will be getting them eventually. So we got that one. Then the all attendee prizes. We got, I was so happy about this one. Oh my gosh. Humming Along. I love birds. So the hummingbird I'm drawn to. And the hibiscus is beautiful. And the projects they showed with this are just perfect. So we got this. Also, cling stamp set. So I'm going to show you because I put mine together. You know, in older Stampin' Up! Stamp sets. Let me grab one. So here's an older stamp set, the Barn Door. And we just leave them blank. We don't stick the sticker because it doesn't stick. And this will stick to the acrylic block. But it stinks because we have the stickers. And it's nice to, in my opinion, to have a stamp set that looks like this so I can see what I'm stamping. So that's the old kind. Well, they finally came out with cling. So there's the stickers. But look. And they are sticky. So let's see if we can do this. So here's the barn door. Here's this. Now this can totally fling off. And even on an acrylic block, it'll stay, but you can easily, boop, take it off. Okay? Now here's the old one. It is stuck. So you want it, they suggest when you take the stamp off, you take it off, start at the bottom, and kind of take it off. Because it will, they said it will rip your stamp, and I can see why they would say that now. I wasn't having any issues earlier, but it is definitely sticky. And then you stick it on your stamping block, and look at that. you have the sticker. Yay, I'm so excited. And it does not come off. It is great. And then again, you want to be very careful taking it off. Now, the more you use it, it will be easier to take off because I'm sure it's only natural that a little bit of the stickiness goes away. But these are so sticky. So it's going to be great. And I think a lot of people will be happy about that. So we got that one as an all attendee giveaway. Then another all attendee giveaway, we got the Incredible Like You stamp set. This actually coordinates with a new kit in the Occasions catalog. And oh my gosh, I'm telling you guys, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to get the kits that are available. I like kits. Obviously, if you follow me on my other channel, I do a lot of kit videos. But these kits this year are my favorite. I want every single one. They are gorgeous, especially the one that coordinates with this stamp set. I just love it. There are laser cut elements in there. They're just beautiful. So really looking forward to that. And this is just a photopolymer, but great. I love this. And you have two-step stamping. So this will be really fun to work with. I'm definitely going to get that kit, if not a few. And the final all attendee product giveaway we got was the new paper pack. It's the Gingham Gala 6x6. So let me open it. And I think this coordinates with this stamp set. I could be wrong. I probably am wrong. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But anyway, you can use it together, of course. But as a suite, I forget what stamp set goes with this. Anyway, so you get all these pastel, perfect for spring, gingham prints. And then on the other side, it's the smaller gingham prints. So really pretty. Definitely a great staple to have in your stash because these could go with any card you make. Okay, so finally I wanted to show you some of the make and takes we were able to do. And this is also a preview of what's to come in the Occasions and Celebration catalog. The first one is this. It's a little, use the pizza box. I think that's what it's called, pizza box. And we created this little gift box. Really cute. This is from a very masculine suite that'll be coming out. I don't know the name. I'll have to learn the names. The Garage. Something Garage. But I love this gear die cut. Great for Father's Day, especially if your father, husband, whomever is into cars. The other make and take we made, which happens to be my favorite, is this one. I love the die. And this pattern paper, let's see if you can see it. It's part of a needlepoint suite. Let's see if it focuses. But these are like photographs that Stampin' Up! Has been doing lately with their pattern paper, taking photographs and then making it into paper. So that looks like real knitting or embroidering, I'm sorry. The hand embroidering, not machine embroidery, but just beautiful. The paper's gorgeous. I'm really looking forward to getting that. Here's another make and take. I actually pre-ordered this suite, so when I do my mini haul video for you guys to show you what I got, I will show. I think I ordered this one. Gosh, I don't even know. I went back and forth, and I'm pretty sure I ordered this one. But either way, I will get it regardless. But really pretty with the new ribbon. And this is a double layer stamp. The leaves and then the flowers. And then finally, we made this. And again, I'm pretty sure that's the same stamp that goes with that tablet. It coordinates. So really pretty. This is a part of a very colorful, bright suite. And then this envelope is part of one of their kits. So, same with the card base. So, really nice. Then, we got at our table, we got this little paper pumpkin sticker. I don't know if you can see it. It says, I love paper pumpkin. Little sticker decal you can put on your car or whatever. So, we got that at our table for lunch. And then our lunches had little notes in it. And so, I saved this one. It was signed by Sarah and Shelley. So, I thought that would be fun to keep. And then another, sorry, it wasn't final. This is another all attendee giveaway we got. We did get something else, but I wasn't there. I went back to the hotel because I had homework to do. So I didn't get that one, but it was like a little tool case. Really cute, zippered up. But I missed out on that one, unfortunately. But this is a bag, and I'm going to go ahead and open it, and it zips up, but it folds out into a bigger bag. So I'll show you what that looks like. So here it is opened up. I probably will never be able to get it back into its case. Oh, maybe I will. It's pretty simple. But really, this is interesting. Really cool. Let me flip it around so you can see the logo. So this is the bottom of the bag. And then you get some side pockets, and then there's the Stampin' Up! Logo. The material feels like raincoat material, but it's a little bit thinner. So here's the bag. Really nice size. It has that wide base. This is the base, like I said, so it's very wide, which is nice because you can put a lot in it. So very nice. So we got that bag. Sorry, it's kind of awkward to show in the camera. So we got this bag. And that, I think, I haven't unpacked yet. They lost my luggage. I was standing at the baggage claim like a sad little puppy and watching the thing go around, but no luggage for me. And they delivered it last night after I'd gone to bed, which is shocking because the airport's about an hour away. And they found it, they drove it out, and I haven't unpacked yet. So I dug through and tried to find my Stampin' Up! Stuff. So I'm pretty sure this is it. That's everything I got. Stay tuned. I will have a haul for you with pre-order products. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was a little preview of what I've been doing for the past week. I had a lot of fun. I loved meeting all the ladies. Everyone was so nice. So let me know if you were at OnStage, and stay tuned for a mini haul video of the new products from the catalog. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye!